class of 2026. Please welcome a student who has consistently led the way, Marian B. Ringan, graduating with high honors.
For 113 years, these halls have curated the footsteps of those who came before us. Today, we don't just stand on a stage, we stand on a century of tradition. To our distinguished guest of honor, Mr. Lysander G. Sibal, Juris Doctor. To our honored schools district in charge, Sir Dante M. Taguilon. To the different school heads of Solana South District. To the pillar of our school's daily success, our principal, Mr. Raymond E. Jose. And to the architects of our character, our teachers, parents, and guests. Welcome to the 113th closing exercises of Solana South Central School. We are gathered under a mandate to be Filipino graduates prepared to lead with competence and character. While that sounds like tall order for a group of people who still steer the world with a backpack and a prayer, the reality is simpler. Leadership at our age is not about giving orders or holding a title. It is about the quiet integrity we first learn from our parents and the daily discipline of our teachers. Competence might open the door, but it is the empathy and humility we carry that will lead us to a brighter future. To our teachers, we've spent years wondering, bakit ba sila dito sa atin? Bakit ba tayo napapagalitan? We thought you were the villains in our story, but we realize now you were actually the editors, making sure we didn't wander off the path, na hindi mawala sa landas. You have taught us how to survive the red meat of life. We know that this first step to our success is one of our greatest joys. In our every success will always be your success and the school's pride. To our parents, you've seen us at our worst, usually 10 minutes before a deadline. You have always been there for us, financially, morally, and spiritually. Lalo na nung mga araw na gusto na namin mag-give up dahil sa sabay-sabay na review at contest. Kayo ang naging sandigan namin. As we graduate, don't think your job is done. We're moving to high school. We're going to need a lot for guidance and probably a higher allowance. To my graduates, elementary life was our pilot episode. We've built a camaraderie that can't be measured by